Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best solutions for your everyday products. Today, we're going to talk about the KOTESLLOE 8 sets replacement rivets for Crocs, the best Croc rivet replacement you'll find on the market. If you've ever dealt with a broken strap on your Crocs, you know how frustrating it can be. But instead of tossing them out and buying a new pair, you can now easily fix them with this affordable and reliable solution. These replacement rivets are designed to repair your Crocs in no time. They come in a pack of 8 sets, so you'll have plenty of backups for future repairs. The rivets are simple to install, with no tools or skills required. All you need to do is align the two parts of the rivet, snap them together, and voila, your Croc strap is good as new. They fit all adult-sized Crocs and most youth-sized shoes, with the rivet head being 16 mm in diameter, making them a universal fit. What sets these rivets apart is the ease of use and the durability. Whether you're dealing with a broken strap from regular wear or an accident, these rivets will hold up over time, ensuring that your Crocs stay intact without the need for constant replacements. Plus, they're waterproof, so you don't have to worry about them getting damaged when you're out and about. These rivets are a great investment for anyone who owns Crocs. With a 4.7-star rating from over 1,500 customers, it's clear that they deliver on their promises. You won't have to spend much time repairing your shoes, and you'll save money in the long run by avoiding the need for a new pair of Crocs. To sum it up, the KOTESLLOE 8 sets replacement rivets for Crocs are the best Croc rivet replacement out there. They are easy to install, affordable, and made to last. If you want to keep your favorite Crocs in top shape, this is the product for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews.